Hi there. Yeah, they don't actually have a default zoom setting as such, but this is what you can do, okay? If you click on, I'm using Office 365 Word 2016. If you click on zoom, I've set the percentage here to 173%. If I set that to 127%, let's say just purely for this example, and click on OK, if I close the document down, as you can see in the bottom here, it's 127%. If I close the document down, and now I reopen Word, there it is at 127% again, okay? So if I want to put it back to, or sorry, not put it back, but if I put it to 181%, like so, and close Word down, then it'll stick. So that should do what you require. See, there we go, 181%. Hopefully that helps.